Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, we are going to be doing a little random haul. I've got some Disney merch here from our most recent Disney trip. Videos for that should be coming up very soon, so keep your eyes peeled if they're not up already. And then me and my friend Casey went out and about today, so I picked up some things while I was kind of milling around with her, so I figured I would show you guys what I got. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited. I love watching hauls. I know you guys do too, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with like the Disney stuff first because I have all that out. I did film like a TikTok version of my haul, so if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, if you don't already, I will have my stuff linked down below for you guys. I'd love to have you come follow me over there and I can show you some love as well. So we're gonna start off with the pins because they are the smallest things that we got. First couple ones were actually ones that my mom picked out. So she picked out this Lady and the Tramp one just because Lady is her favorite Disney character. She also picked out this Fox and the Hound one because Fox and the Hound is her favorite movie. And then this grumpy one that says it's not just a mood, it's a lifestyle, which we all thought was just really funny. As for the rest of them, we did get one from Gideon's Bakehouse, which I did not know Gideon's Bakehouse sold pins. So this is super cute. It's the gargoyle that sits on top of the building outside. And we decided we just needed to get one of these because why not have one for Gideon's? We got one for Harmonious, which is the nighttime show in Epcot. We picked this one up because it was our first time seeing Harmonious, which I really enjoyed. If you guys seen the show, definitely let me know what you think down below, but I really, really liked it. I think they executed it very, very well. We also picked up this one for Remy's Ratatouille Adventure because it was our first time riding the ride. I think it is so cute. The little salt in the shakers actually glitter. It's adorable. We also got this one right here for the 50th anniversary because of course, Magic Kingdom is celebrating its 50th anniversary and I thought this one was really, really great. And then we got this one right here. This pin comes with a patch, but we really only wanted the pin from it. This is for all the Dole Whips that we ate while in Magic Kingdom on our last day. We pretty much had every Dole Whip flavor that you can buy in the Magic Kingdom at the time we were there. And again, you can see everything that we ate on my TikTok. And then I also picked up a couple of these postcards. So we were there during Festival of the Arts, also known as Farts. And they have a bunch of different like booths for art, different paintings, sculptures, etc., etc. And a great way to enjoy some of those paintings is through these postcards because obviously they are canvas prints and things. They are going to be more expensive. I think some of them can be totally worth the money, just depends on what you want. But my kind of thought process was to kind of frame some of these and hang them up as pieces that I could change out a little bit more easier than like having a big canvas print. And also you could take these down, move them around instead of committing to one large piece of artwork. These were all from the Wonderground Galleries. The artist's name is Ashley Taylor, and these were each $5.99. The first one I got that I had to have because I love The Little Mermaid so much is this one right here. This one's called A Mermaid's Dream. I picked up this one as well called Choose Your Destiny. Obviously it's Merida from Brave and then like her little brothers as bears. I thought it was so cute. And then I picked up this one as well called My World, which is obviously Aladdin and Jasmine. I just love the tones of this one. I thought the purples and blues were really, really pretty. I also picked up another pair of ears. Now, I've actually just started wearing ears. I honestly never thought I'd be an ear wearing girl. I only have 3 pairs and including this one, so 2 others aside from this one. But I saw these on Shop Disney probably a couple weeks before my trip, and I love olive green. You guys know this about me. And these are olive green with kind of like a green and gold shifty bow. I thought they were so pretty. I'm really glad that I picked them up. I'm very picky about the ears. I don't just buy just any pair. I really like marinate and let myself think about it. But these were the standard like $29.99 for these, but I love them a lot. And I think I'll get a lot of use out of them because they are kind of monochromatic, so it'll match the outfits I like to wear in the parks. I also picked up this phone case. I look at Disney phone cases every time I go. I will say they are harder to find for my phone size. I have an iPhone SE, and so most of the phone cases are obviously for the bigger, newer iPhones. And so they had this one. I wanted the Mickey and Friends one too, but these are $34.99, and I was like, oh, let me just make sure I like it before I buy multiple phone cases because I'm also not one to switch out my phone case a lot. I'm still kind of using the phone case I got when I bought this phone, so we shall see. But either way, it's a Disney princess one. Sorry that you can see me creeping on you from the back, but I thought it was so cute. It has like a 3D effect to it. But I loved it. It has all the princesses on it. I was really glad it had Ariel because of course she's my fave, but I'm so excited about this and I can't wait to put it on my phone and see how it works and just see if I like it before I commit to buying any more. And then this next item, this was what my mom got. So this is a baby Lady and the Tramp, like she's wrapped up in this blanket and you can like unvelcro it, like you can hang it up here. It has like a little hole and you can take her out and then unclip this from her and then just kind of sit her like this. But my mom's favorite character, like I mentioned with the pins, is Lady from Lady and the Tramp, and she kept looking at this, so then she decided to get it. I won't lie, we all laughed. This was rather expensive for what it is. I feel so bad when parents have to like take their kids to Disney and buy merch, because the kids merch be expensive, yo, okay? This was literally, I think like $35 or $36. She was very expensive for a stuffed animal, but she was cute. My mom really liked her, and so she picked up this, and then I'm like trying to make sure I don't set her somewhere where anything would happen to her because it's not mine. And then my mom also got one of these Starbucks ornaments. Now my mom actually collects some of these that we put on our tree at Christmas time, not just from Disney, but Starbucks in general because she loves Starbucks. This one was $14.99 and it was for Magic Kingdom. And it's kind of almost like the 50th kind of like stuff because it's got like the older Mickey Mouse style on it, but it's also got like some icons from around Magic Kingdom, so like the country bears and the castle and things like that. And I think she just liked the color, so she ended up picking this up. All right, so as far as clothing goes, we did pick up some pieces. This one is my mom's and it says, "Nope, not today," with Grumpy on it. And she saw this the first night we were there and she knew she had to have it. So she picked this up. This was $24.99. And then my dad got two shirts as well. This one right here is from the Vault collection, so it's for like the 50th anniversary. This shirt was $36.99 and it's this yellow one with the red outline that says Walt Disney World, opened October of '71, with Mickey Mouse, and it's got you know, Florida State with the castle in it. He really liked this, and so I thought it was really cool. And then he also got this one, which I really liked. I almost got it, but I was like, no, let me chill. They have this one right here. It says original, oops, excuse me, it doesn't help if I can't hold it up. Original Mickey. It has 1928. Yeah, I'm reading it backwards. 1928 on it. It's a cream colored shirt with this red outline. They also had one in blue, which was super cute, but I prefer the red. As for me, I got this one right here. My mom and I actually got matching shirts for this one. It says Walt Disney World on it in a bunch of fun, bright colors. This is a long sleeve black shirt, and it has the park icons down the sleeve in those same colors. So Epcot, Animal Kingdom, Magic Kingdom, and Hollywood Studios. This was, I think, $37.99. So I really liked it. Me and my mom saw this again in Disney Springs, and yeah, I thought it was a really good shirt, and it was a little chilly our first day there, so it worked out perfect to have a long sleeve. And then I also picked up this shirt. This is from the Vault collection for the 50th. This shirt that I'm going to show you was $36.99. The Vault collection was a little bit more expensive than some of the like more basic merch in Disney, but it kind of makes sense because obviously it's limited for the 50th. I will say the Vault collection is the softest material of clothing I have ever felt as far as Disney World merch goes. It is so nice and luxurious feeling. I got this shirt right here. I got it incredibly oversized. I figured I'd either tie it up or sleep in it or do something just because it was so soft, but I really like the way it looked. It says Walt Disney World with Mickey Mouse in front of the castle. I just like the way it looked, and again, super, super soft. This one is one that I actually got in a, I think it's a 2X, because they didn't have a large or an extra large in it, whatever, either one, you know what I'm saying? And no, they didn't have an extra large. They had a large, but the large looked like it was cut a little funny, and mom's thick. So I was like, I am not about to pay that much money for a shirt and it not work out for me, girl. No, thank you. And then the last clothing item that we got, me and my dad actually got this matching. Again, this is from the Vault collection. This was $49.99. It's a sweatshirt, one of the softest sweatshirts I've ever felt. You know those sweatshirts that you have like in your collection, if you will, in your wardrobe, that are just so worn in and so comfortable? That's what this feels like. Pre-worn in, pre-used, just like really lovely. And so it says Walt Disney World opened October 71, Magic Kingdom, all that jazz. And it has one of these like flag looking things on it that says Walt Disney World on the sleeve. I really like it. I think it's cute. I think it's cozy. I have quite a few Disney sweatshirts, but they're very bright, vibrant, got all the characters on them. So I really like that this one was a little bit more understated and muted. So I was glad to add that to my collection. And that's all the Disney stuff that we purchased. We tried to be pretty good. We spent a lot on food. We did damage there. So let me grab the things that I picked up while I was out today real quick and gather them because they're a little far away, and then we'll jump into those. Okay, so the first few things I'm going to show you are from Walmart. Y'all already know how I feel about the Walmart. It's absolutely phenomenal. And it's funny because sticking with a Disney theme, I got this nightshirt. Well, I think it's more like a nightgown. I'll know more when I put it on. But it's a long sleeve nightgown with Stitch all over it and little planets and alien ships and moons. I just really like it. I really like Stitch. I like it because you get to meet him out in Tomorrowland on the stage over there. And I don't buy a lot of Stitch merch. And so I figured this was an easy way to do that without kind of having to break the bank. This was $14.98. Can't beat the Walmart, yo. You can't beat it. And when I tell you this thing is buttery soft, child, it is buttery soft. I'm literally gonna put this on as soon as I'm done filming. Don't you worry about that. I also picked up this Nivea in shower body lotion in the scent cocoa butter. My friend Casey was telling me about this. She's like, yo, I used to use this all the time. I've never tried an in shower moisturizer. It looks like someone messed with this one, but oh well, you live in, you know, you deal with it. Look at it. It's crusty on the top. I'm gonna just wipe it off and keep moving. I don't know if you can tell, but little ice almost squeezed it up. I'm gonna just clean it and move along. But I am obsessed with moisturizing, and I like the idea because I do get out of the shower and barely pat myself dry and then put on my moisturizer. So I figured I would see if this does anything any different because this was very cheap. It was only like $5 or $6. So I'm like, hey, I'll give anything a go for that little bit of money. And then the only other thing I got from Walmart was one of the Maybelline lifter glosses. I have one in this little gift set. I think I showed you guys when I did my little Christmas haul, but I have one in this set that I haven't opened yet that came with the mascara. The gloss in this one, the package is 03 Moon, which is funny because it's one of the ones I was looking at and I was like, oh, I may have that, so let me chill. But I decided to pick up this pinky one to try because everybody loves these Maybelline glosses. Now, I am a Fenty gloss girl. I'm a diehard. I love those glosses, but I figured I'd give it a try because they're not very expensive. Like, again, $6 or $7 maybe. So that's not bad for a lip gloss at all. This is in the shade 005 Petal, and I'm wearing it on my lips right now with a little touch up. I like the applicator. I like that it says Big Doe Foots. I like the color payoff on this one too. It's not like a gloss that's like just barely got any color and shimmer. It's a pretty, I'm not talking good. It's a pretty pigmented gloss. It's got a little bit of glitter in it, just enough. And so I'm super excited to have this. I'm excited to open my other one and use it. Do I love it more than my Fenty glosses? It's hard to compare this one to it, but I don't think so. But I think for price wise, if you don't want to spend the money on the Fenty, I think this is a really nice gloss. Not sticky, very comfortable. It's wearing very well, so I'm happy with that. We also popped into Marshall's, and of course I couldn't not get anything in Marshall's. So I did get two little dry shampoos. I got a mini one of this Sun Bum dry shampoo. I love the scent of Sun Bum and things like that. This was $3.99. I'm sure it's gonna spray out white. I'll just be interested to give it a go. You guys know I'm a dry shampoo hoe. I cannot live without it, so I figured give it a little bit of a go because I've never tried it. I wonder if it'll be better than the Sol de Janeiro one that I tried, so we'll see. And I also got this one. This is from the brand called Refresh. I've never seen this before. It was right by the Batiste ones in my Marshalls. It's in the scent Tropical Coconut, which of course I love coconut. This was only $5.99. This is like the size of like my big Batiste ones. And these are like $10 or $11 at Walmart. So I was like, girl, I'm gonna give this a shot. Now I know this is probably gonna spray out white. Obviously I just spray it in at night when I get ready to do that. But I figured, girl, I would give it a try for $5.99. Like the price difference, okay. But I'm excited to try this out. If you guys have tried this brand or the Sun Bum, let me know because I have high hopes, girl, especially for that price. And the last thing I got, I cannot believe I got this. I'm gonna take the plastic wrap off of it. But I don't know what made me do this. because girl, it's been a minute. But they had the Britney Spears Curious perfume, and this is a large. This has got to be a big ass bottle. And this was only $19.99. Okay, so Britney Spears Curious was actually one of my favorite perfumes growing up. I wore it all the time, like literally had, oh my God. I think it's bigger than any bottle I've ever had. I'm so excited. And so, of course, I was like, well, I'm gonna buy it for $20. It cannot be bad. The inside of this box stinks, ho. But like, literally, I have a little bit of perfume on now from earlier, but I'm gonna spray this. Oh my God. The nostalgia. Okay, so it's not one that I would wear all the time. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It reads a little younger than some of the scents that I love, but it's just nostalgic for me, and that's why I wanted to get it. I do love the smell. It would be very much like a daytime perfume for me, but I could not say no for $20, and it was the only one there. She was coming home with me, so I'm so excited to have that. I do wish it had the little charm in here that, you know, I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to have like a charm that dangled down. That would make it even better, but I'm so excited about this. So yeah, I have that. And then the only other thing I really want to show you guys, I went on a cruise eons ago at this point with my friend Alex, and I bought paintings in the Bahamas from Bohemian artists, and I finally got my photographs framed so I can put them up, and I just want to share them with you guys because I love them and I was just such a slacker. So the first one I had purchased was this one right here of two little sea turtles. I'd actually given my friend Cassandra a copy of this as well, and I got the frame from Michael's for pretty cheap. This one wasn't very expensive, but I wanted to show you guys this. And then this is my favorite one. She was the only one there, I remember, and I was like holding it up and looking at it, and someone was like peeping over my shoulder, and I was like, no, you're coming home with me. But it is this little piggy in a martini glass with a set of pearls. Like, she's so cute. Is it not me, you guys, in a photograph? Like, it's so stinking cute. And I had to have this one professionally framed at Michael's because the picture size was a little different. So this cost me a pretty penny because having things professionally framed is not cheap. But I'm so excited now. I have them both. They came in just before I went on vacation, so I can't wait to hang them up because they've literally been sitting in the top of my closet since I went on my cruise in like 2019, which is just atrocious. Like, why am I like this? You know what I'm saying? All for this random haul of Disney stuff and just like random Walmart and Marshall stuff. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.